Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Poaching is the best way to cook chicken for shredding. It's really fast and it keeps the chicken moist so that it's tender enough to shred. Add boneless skinless chicken breasts to a large pot of water and bring to a boil. Boil for 10 minutes or until chicken is no longer pink.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Shred chicken using a blender. Place chicken in a high-powered blender and shred on low, increasing speed until chicken is shredded. Use tamper to push chicken down into blades. You may need to turn blender off and give it a little shake to move the chicken around a bit to get all the chicken shredded.
Take our lead.
Purchase a whole chicken or chicken pieces. Generally, the best shredded chicken comes from a whole chicken, as you will get both white and dark meat. You can buy chicken pieces, but you may end up with too much white meat or too much dark meat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.